Alright, hi, this is Dallas. I'm going to tell you guys how to do this problem right here. So it's 4NH3, 5O2, 4NO, 6H2O. We have our problems right here. We're trying to get back to this. So first, we want to make sure that our problems are correct. Right here, we're trying to see if anything matches. This does not match, this doesn't match, but this one does. Except for the fact that this has a 4 and this is a 2. This is an easy fix. You multiply the equation by 2, and you'll be left with this new equation, 2N2 plus 2NO2, and then 4NO, which is the same as this one. Now you have to do the same over here and multiply 108.5 by 2, and you'll get negative 361. Now we move down to here, and we also see that these ones do not have any like things up here, so we have to change this one to make it look like this one. We're going to change this 2 into a 4 by multiplying by 2, and we also have to get it on the right side of the equation. We have to get it on this side of the arrow. So you want to do is you want to flip it. Our new equation will be 4NH3. We put the arrow 2N2 plus 2H2. We also want to do the same thing, so multiply 91.8 by 2, and you get 183. And then you also want to flip the sign. So this is a negative sign, we're going to flip it to a positive sign. So this is a positive 183.6. Now we want to go and look at this equation. This equation has both have H2O's on this side. So we want to multiply by 3 in order to make sure that the 2 turns into a 6. And our new equation will be 6H2, 3O2, 6H2O. And we also want to multiply this by 3, and you'll get negative 140, that one, yeah. So now all our equations are correct, and we want to go write down what's on both sides. So we only want to write down the reactants, so on the left side of the arrow, you want to put 2N2 plus 2O2 plus 4NH3 plus 6H2 plus 3O2. And we want to put the arrow, and we want to put all the products. 4NO plus 2N2 plus 2H2 plus 6H2O. Alright, now I want to go and try and cancel anything out. So if something is on either side, we have to cancel it out. There's N2 right here, so we want to circle these and cancel them out. You also want to do the same for 6H2. And the final thing you want to do is you want to combine like terms. You can combine these two to make one term, which is 5O2, and you also want to bring this down since there's nothing on this side anymore. 4NH3, the arrow, and then you have these two remaining terms, 4NO plus 6H2O. Alright, and you can check your answers by saying that this is the exact same as this top equation. Now we know that all the equations are correct. The final step to do is you want to get your final answer. You want to take the numbers you got from up here, which is negative 361, 183.6, and negative 1,449. You add them all together, and you get your final answer of this. So your final answer is delta H equals negative 1,600, 204. There you go.